teacher and classmate. My name is María Consuelo Méndez Garzón. I study Management Administration at the Uniminuto University. I'm going to talk about Catherine Ibargüen. She was born in Apartado, Antioquia, in 12 February 1984. In this picture you can see Apartado. She is a Colombian game performance athlete. She is very important for the country because she has won many medals. In the picture you can see Catherine Ibargüen in a competition. In 4 December 2018, she was Best Female Athlete of the Year. She has been the image of different brands in Colombia, in Oster, in Herbalife, in Pastas La Muñeca, in Oral-B, because many people want to be like Catherine Ibargüen. She is a game performance athlete. Thank you, Catherine. Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye.